I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn something new and amazing drafts. Let's see what are we going to do with the help of these sheets. You have to make it look like this, and yes, you are going to paste the dots in this manner and your building is gonna be ready. Now take the clay and paste it on the top of it to make the roof look like this, and yes, the snowy roof, and is this looking damn amazing? Again, you have to take the circular sheet or cardboard, and then with the help of watercolor you have to make the color look like this, and then at the bottom you have to slide the color in this manner with the help of round brushes. Now you have to give it a dark look at the edge, and let's see what are we going to get. Again, with the help of the brushes you have to give the imprints look like this, the white imprints, and then paste sticks thick sheets in this manner, and then again you have to make the trees look like this in this way, and these trees are definitely gonna be look awesome. And this is the view of a beautiful lovely beach, the seashore side. Paste the clay in this manner, the lovely balls, and it is going to look damn pretty and amazing. Decorate them further by making small insects or crabs, and paste the many more things that you would definitely see on a beach. Again, you have to take the circular sheet, and then you have, with the help of brown marker, you have to make the branches and thicklets in this manner. And let's see what are we going to do now. You just have to make the thicklets look like this, and let's see what are we gonna do now. Now with the help of the clay you have to give the imprints and make the flowers look like this. You have to paste as many flowers as you want on the top, and in the bottom you have to give the imprints like this with the help of your fork. And then roll your clay, make a spiral, and then your snail is ready to love. Paste the googly eyes and put it here. Isn't it amazing? And you can just put it like this and it is ready. Keep on proceeding in this manner, and let's see what are we gonna do now. Take the clay, make the lines look like this, cut it like this in this manner as if you are cutting a slice of pizza, and then give the imprint like this, and your flower is ready. Give the beautiful impression in this manner, and yes, you can just give it look like this, and it is gonna be look damn amazing and pretty. Paste the leaves all around it, and it is looking so beautiful and amazing, isn't it? You can make as many as you want and decorate it further. Just paste it look like this and your drawing is ready. Now let's see what are we gonna do now. With the help of crayon you have to paste it, make the look like this, and give it a look in this manner. Or paste the grasses in this way as one over the other, and then you have to decorate it further. With the help of clay you have to paste the clay in this manner, put it in like this, and then you have to give the imprints in this way, and it is going to look damn amazing. Isn't it pretty amazing? You have to just give the looks like this and make the beautiful imprints in this manner all over it, and your field is ready. Now let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to just roll and then make a clay. With the help of clay you have to roll it, make small balls like this and put it all over it in this way. And let's see what are we going to make now. You have to make and paste it look like this on a beautiful hand glove, and then what you have to do to put it like this, and your hand gloves are ready. Isn't it amazing? Damn pretty. Just decorate it further by making beautiful lovely dots and all.